You are also able to copy reports from other classrooms in MRX, rather than create one from scratch. To copy a report, go to the Conference menu at the top and then select Copy Reports. Once on this screen, follow the numbered steps. In Step 1, select the appropriate level. In Step 2, select either another classroom at your school in order to standardize your reports for the school. Select MRX Community to explore over 1,000 conference report designs within the system, or select from the Training Center model classes within MRX. I will choose the last option in order to find the Common Core State Standards report. In Step 3, highlight the core standards alignments created by Montessori Made Manageable. And in Step 4, select the appropriate grades for this classroom. Now that I have all my criteria selected, click on the View Report button in the lower right corner to see what's in this report. Note that this report is not what parents would see. It only describes the anatomy of the report, showing categories, concepts, and assigned lessons. Classrooms that utilize this report use the Generate Report screen to determine how their reports will look based on a number of criteria, just like you will once your report is ready. You'll also notice the green and red letters on the left side of the report. This tells you which lessons in your classroom will be matched to concepts on this report based on a green matched letter or a red not matched letter. In other words, the more green, the better. When you copy a report, everything about the report will be copied into your classroom except for possibly the lesson alignments to the concepts, or in this case, standards. MRX is looking for lessons in your classroom where the topic, presentation material, and lesson matches in both this report and in your classroom. It will only copy assignments that match your classroom's lessons verbatim, and I do mean verbatim. In other words, it is likely that you will still need to go into the design report screen and manually assign your lessons to comments wherever you see a red, not matched letter. But you can use this report you generated as a guide since it shows the alignments to the Common Core standards or any other learning objectives you'd like to align to. I imported the AMS list of lessons from the AMS MRX Research Initiative into my classroom, which are automatically correlated to the Common Core Standards report. Therefore, my alignments are complete and my report is ready. After I've thoroughly looked through this, I can close it. And I know that I'd like to copy that, so now in the lower right corner, I will copy this into my destination classroom, which is noted in the blue footer. Make sure that is correct. Hit Copy Report. MRX confirms that those lessons with the green matched letters are now assigned to those concepts on the report in my classroom. I hit OK. And I can verify this if I go to the Conference menu at the top and go to Design Reports. I see the report I just copied. If I select it here and then drill down on the left side of the screen to select a category within this, pick a category, and once one is selected, I can also select a concept. And within this concept, I look to the lower right in Step 6, and I can see the alignments have been completed. So whenever I record progress on the lessons in Step 6, it will be reflected in an average on the report for the concept on the left. Once I am comfortable with the edits, I can generate this report at any time on the Generate Report screen to see how students are progressing. Please explore the MRX Community's report designs, as well as the Common Core State Standards alignments. You will find many great approaches to display student progress, including learning checklists, socio-emotional reports, and behavior work habits reports. There's a lot of great approaches to behold in MRX by your peers.